What's up, everybody? It's Alexandria, the Care Girl. I am back with another whiteboard episode, short video for you all. I would love to talk to you today about a care scenario that actually happened in real life for me. If you see the picture to the right, this is one of my mentors who is no longer with us. She was aging in her home alone, and I got a call from her son. This was some years ago now. Love Sharon. She was an amazing, amazing holistic nurse. Like anything that I would have wrong, she would call. I would call her. She would create some type of flower concoctions and just help me, with my mental health and help me with my spiritual health and my physical health as well. Just a very phenomenal, phenomenal woman. Just shout out to Sharon. So I was the last person that she had talked to, apparently. So her son called me. He said, "You were the last person that she talked to. I just don't know what happened. I just know I got a call from a nursing home saying that my mother was there. I don't even know how she got there. I don't even know when. So and your call was a week ago. So, long story short, she was found with her cats. The cats were like being very, very, very loud, I guess, and the neighbor went over and found her unconscious, right? So they don't know how long she was down. That could have led to a brain injury, et cetera, et cetera. Emergency was called. Her son was in emergency contact, but he stayed out of the country, so he didn't get it. The message didn't get to him until later on. So long story short, she was in the rehab. She got into the nursing home, and basically her son was very distraught because he didn't have the power of attorney. He didn't have any type of authority, and he had to go to court and file for temporary conservatorship over his mother to be able to make some moves to be able to get her out and take care of her, right? So that this is my purpose to for you all to understand, like, you have to get ahead of the issue before it happens, because everybody is, we have aging parents, right? So you're in the same generation where we millennials, we're raising our children, and we also have a parent that we could be raising, or our parents are taking care of their parents, right? So, but we still want to be having the conversation. So, what I have on the board today is the scenario, and just, the breakdown of you could be speaking to your parent weekly, right? um this is a person who that may stay out of state with a full plate. Parent had a few hospitalizations, but very vague on why. You want a lot of times our parents don't want us to worry. They want us to not worry about their health. They're afraid that they're going to be sent to a nursing home, right? And that's not the case. That's not the case. So sometimes you may need a neighbor next door to come check on them weekly, along with your weekly calls, right? Along with the FaceTime call, and hey, show me your medication. Show me your medications. Have you been taking your medications, right? I need to be a part of your mic chart so I can know what's going on, what testing you're getting done. Why was you hospitalized, right? Because they could be getting hospitalized, like I said, and you don't know why, right? And we could very well be lost in the sauce of our own lives. But if we do value our loved ones, we want to try to get ahead of this, right? And you get a call, and your parent is now in a nursing home without your consent, right? This happens. I've seen it time and time again in my industry. And like I said, I have so many different resources. I have a family emergency preparedness kit for the aging for free. I have a free newsletter. I have a free YouTube channel breaking down aging care, and I do episodes on my podcast as well. And I talk to industry experts every week on how we can get ahead of the aging, without the scaries. Okay. So, this was just a little short whiteboard episode, and I hope you guys liked it. Comment, share, DM me if you guys need any type of care help with any type of care transitions. Reach out to me. I can help with placement into assisted living, nursing home, hospice care, and then the Care Girl Agency. We take care of those who need help in the home, from a personal injury to elderly care and special needs. Okay, guys. But I just want to really, really emphasize that we have to start preparing earlier. Um, because a lot of times things are happening so quickly to us when it comes to these Asian parents. And I don't know about you, I want to be prepared. I don't want anything to blindside me, because again, somebody has to take our work, somebody has to deal with it. And if you are, the eldest child or the child that's closest to their parent, that will be you. All right, it's Alexandria.